Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. If you are interested in paying for a highly customizable design tool for your online store that can also speed up your website loading time, provide a secure e-commerce platform, and boost your conversions, all at the same time, you are going to love what we are going to present to you next. In today's video, we will talk about Debutify, an excellent theme for Shopify that can save your business a lot of money and increase conversions, as well as give a fantastic look to your online store. But before we go any further, don't forget that softwaretrailers.com constantly offers the latest collection of software on the web. We will leave a special link in the description below to access this and other great digital tools. Now, let's dive into Debutify. Debutify is a robust platform that provides entrepreneurs with every opportunity for success on Shopify. It comes with everything you need straight away. There is no need for coding, marketing, or prior Shopify experience. Debutify makes it very simple to create a Shopify store. It's simple to set up with a few keystrokes. Additionally, it is lightning quick and smartphone optimized. Debutify can also outperform other free themes in terms of sales-boosting add-ons, dropshipping, countdown clocks, add-to-cart stickers, discount codes, and other built-in features. Using Debutify, you can quickly build the ideal store for selling your products and increasing your clients' conversions. Let's have a look at the features that can be added to your store when you begin using this builder. Start thinking about how you want your store to look. Logos, navigation buttons, and payment icons can all be incorporated into the design of the header and footer elements. You can also use detailed product descriptions, animations, and slideshows on desktop and mobile devices to present your products. Your customers can then filter what is shown in the product slider based on their choices, along with tags, add-to-cart icons, and checkout buttons. When it comes to payment, you can implement a currency converter to cover many markets while making payments. Your customers can pay for your products in the currency of their choice by setting up multiple placement options. In addition, your store will be translated to match the language of your clients. You can use words and images to guarantee the quality of your store's service, as well as close your presentation with a few well-chosen quotes and client testimonials. If you like what you hear about Debutify, check out a link to buy their services in the description below. Consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel, and you will be notified of other great videos about software like this one. You can benefit from Debutify's add-ons collection to boost your site speed and conversion rates. You will be able to choose up to more than 50 add-ons, whether they are cart maximizers, conversion triggers, loyalty builders, shopping enhancers, and protectors. In addition to all this, you can get the chance to enter the Debutify's affiliate program to earn passive income and share the tool with other store owners. With this program, you can receive up to 40% for every referral. Additionally, you can track your clicks, leads, referrals, and payouts. As a third feature, you can rely on a professional support team that will be available to you 24/7 to assist you in case of any questions and can provide promoted materials to help you convert your users into customers. If you like what you heard about Debutify, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you like this software video, feel free to check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers and subscribe to our channel. We are sure you will find what you are looking for. Thanks for watching. See you next time.